Hello, I am Dr. Mohamed harish. I am going to examine your kidney by palpation and auscultation. Please lie down comfortable on your back and keep loose your abdomen. I am just looking at your abdomen now. I am going to perform inspection now on your abdomen to see any visible masses swelling on kidney area. Here there is no visible masses swelling area in your kidney area. Now I am going to feel your kidneys. I will start with your right kidney. Behind the right lumbar region and other on the abdomen below, right costal margin. Please take deep breathing in and out. Good. Do you feel any pain here?
No, sir.
That's good. I don't feel any enlargement or tenderness on the right side. Next, I will examine your kidney by auscultation by stethoscope. I am checking for any abnormality sound over the renal artery. First of all, I will place the stethoscope on the lumbar region to hear any renal blunt sounds. I have to check renal blood sound by bell side of the stethoscope. This is the bell side of the stethoscope. To hear the low sensitive sound, place the stethoscope on 2.5 to 3 centimeter lateral to the middle line, slightly above the umbilicus, on the right side of the kidney. On the examination of your kidney with stethoscope, I don't hear any abnormal sounds. If the renal bruits having oozing sound, it can lead to the stenosis of renal arteries. Start. On the examination of your kidney was perfectly alright. Thank you for visiting.
Thank you, sir.